What is a timing chain, and what does it do? A timing chain is an internal component used to keep the engine running at optimal conditions by ensuring that the crankshaft is in sync with the camshafts. It's an essential component of the engine, and as such, you should make sure that when it comes time to replace it, you use a quality component. Schaeffler's timing chain kits come with all the essential components to ensure that the repair is done right the first time. Each kit contains the necessary chains, tensioners, and guides. In certain applications, the kit also contains the necessary gears and sprockets, along with a specially formulated high-performance chain additive, uniquely made for Schaeffler by Liqui-Moly. The chain additive helps reduce friction during the break-in period, and reduces run-in wear by up to 20%. Each component in the kit is made to meet original equipment performance, and in some cases, improves upon it. To ensure quality, the metal components are heat-treated to optimal hardness. The high-grade polymers used in the guides meet or exceed the original equipment quality tests, and the tensioners are designed to have the proper oil flow to maintain consistent pressure to ensure the timing chain remains in the optimal tension for engine performance. In addition to the timing chains and mating components, Schaeffler also offers an array of other engine products, such as engine valve lifters and variable valve timing solenoids, many of which are the exact product used as the original equipment in manufacturing. Ask our sales and product management team today about our extended chain kit product line. Schaeffler, we pioneer motion.